Now coming to the microfilariae. They are typically found between 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. when we are most alert in the reading room. Now coming to the rabies, it is the antigen by immunofluorescence which will help you. How long you want to keep the healthy guy to not move with quarantine for yellow fever, doctor? It is for mosquito proof ward in Chenchalguda for 6 days is what is basically required as a quarantine from the date of leaving an infected area. Now the breeding ground, paddy field is the typical area for the Japanese bee virus. Trachoma, when do you want to take the mass treatment? There is certain prevalence which is required. If the prevalence is more than 5% severe to moderate trachoma, children under 10 years, indication for mass or blanket treatment. Now CDR, clofazimine, dapsone, rifampicin is for the multibacillary leprosy. What are their individual dosages? For how long they should be given? If it is posse, if it is multi, everything like a killer aspirant, you must be ready for the tomorrow's exam. Now doctor, heterosexual transmission, there is a greater risk for a man to woman rather than from woman to a man. Very non-feministic attitude of the God, even in HIV transmission. Now WHO, how to define blindness, doctor? Low vision, maximum less than, minimum equal to. So these values are all what need to be remembered. When do you call PHC termed as depending on whether microscopic facility and radiology facilities are there or not? Now tell me, doctor, parasitic infection which lead to perianal pruritus. Very good. Enterobius, that is our answer from everywhere. So remember, what are the clues for the parasitic infections? Ankylostomum nicator, microcytic anemia. Then Paragonimus westermannii, lung fluke, hemoptysis. Then Echinococcus niversis and perianal pruritus, enterobius should be not forgotten. 300 kilocalories is all that is required. Additionally, typically as a dietary supplement. Now coming to the various programs and which ministries are sponsoring them. Out of all, the midday meal program is by the Ministry of Education. Saraswati department will give Annapurna department food. Everything else is by other departments. Very tricky question. But now everyone knows the answer for this routine question, I believe. Now, prevalence of vitamin A deficiency in the community. If it is bite on spots, more than 0.5%, night blindness more than 1%, daskatis, you must know which ticket is costing how much in which theatre. Kesari dal, boba, beta-oxalyl aminoalanine is the toxin which is present in the lathyrus seeds. Anthrax bacilli can be killed by pasteurization where they are basically resistant. Egg doesn't have carbohydrate, hence we eat egg biryani, because we add rice along with the egg in order to supplement what is missing in that. Now doctor, coming to the problem village, how deep, if the water is missing, you call it as a problem village. It is 15 meters depth, also water is not available, and people need to go 1.6 kilometers to get safe water, then you call it as a problem village, which you need to remember. Chalo doctor, let us have some quick hot shot questions. All DNA viruses except what? Parvo? Parvo? Okay. Yeah, even Karnul says Parvo, Dr. Anuja says Pox, and Dr. everybody else, Dr. Dash says Parvo. That's right. I think this is a very favorite stock question. This is just to examiner want to first ask you a question before you go into Prometric Center. All contain double standard except which one? Parvo. चलो अंदर जाओ. वो भी नहीं मालूम है. एग्जाम लिख के क्या फायदा है, चलो घर जाके नेक्स्ट नीट को आ जाओ. So or you take postpone your date to last day. So now doctor, right bundle branch block, you must know all the various causes and how do you recognize. Right bundle branch block is identified typically when the QRS complex is more than 120 milliseconds. RSR, positive, negative, positive. RSR pattern is found in lead V1, is the way by which you will be able to recognize the right bundle branch block. Valsalva maneuver, what will it be doing, doctor? Valsalva maneuver decreases venous return or increases venous return to the heart? Decreases venous return to the heart. When the venous return decreases, heart chamber size becomes smaller. When it becomes smaller, hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy, where hypertrophic interventricular septum is obstructing the LVOT, left ventricular outflow tract, become worsened when the chamber size becomes smaller. Hence, the murmur of HOCM worsens with the Valsalva maneuver is what need to be remembered. Similarly, what happens if you give nitrates in HOCM? Nitrates are venodilators. They will decrease the venous return to the heart, make the chamber size smaller and worsen the HOCM. Okay, doctor? So, favorite question of the examiner. Fourth heart sound, matlab kya hai? Lazy husband, working wife. Have you seen the homes? This fellow want to wake up at 11 o'clock because anyway wife's job is to go to job, earn money and bring back. One of our nurse Mary used to be there. Every day after coming to work she used to cry because husband is a nice alcoholic, all her salary is being drunk by him every day on an installment basis. So left ventricle is very lethargic. Why to wake up today kind of a husband? Atrium is that very perfectionist, obsessive, hard-working wife. Early morning, 4 o'clock she wakes up. She says, let me push blood into you. But ventricle says, no, I can't stretch it. Then comes the S4. Where left ventricular compliance decreases. Which condition do you have it? Aortic stenosis, hypertension. इन सब चीजों में क्या हो जाएगा? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल हाइपरट्रोफी होके कॉम्प्लायंस चले जाएगा. It can't accommodate the blood coming from the atrium and that produces the fourth heart sound, right? And a failing ventricle will produce third heart sound. Third heart sound. Now, rheumatic fever. There can be Caricom murmur, which is the transient diastolic mitral murmur, which is produced when, what is rheumatic fever? It is a pancarditis. There is a valvulitis, myocarditis, pericarditis, all three. When valvulitis is there, the valvular ring becomes distended and that lead to acute MR and associated with the Caricom's murmur. Now coming to the various things about second heart sound. Physiological splitting is associated with what? First A2 then P2, right doctor? And whenever we take inspiration, what will happen? The P2 become more delayed. So there is a more splitting at the time of inspiration. So physiological splitting will be greater during inspiration, not expiration, is what you have to remember. All the remaining things are true. Now coming to JVP, A wave, C wave, V wave, positive waves, X descent, Y descent. Many times we discussed. So without repetition, let me quickly go to it. When will you listen third heart sound? When will you listen third heart sound? The moment AV valves open and the atrial blood jumps into the ventricle with enthusiasm, it is a failing heart which is receiving it, and that lead to rumbling of the blood, which produces third heart sound. Okay? And when will you hear fourth heart sound? First 1/3 of filling is over. Enthusiastically blood jumped into the ventricle. Second 1/3 of the ventricular filling is also over. Third 1/3 may atrium contracts to push. That time if the ventricle is stiffened like a hypertensive heart, then you hear fourth heart sound. So whether third or fourth, both of them are during diastole only. Third is during the early 1/3 of the diastole. Fourth is late 1/3 of the diastole is what need to be remembered. So it is the Y descent where there is a fall in the atrial pressure. The moment AV valve open and the blood leaves the atrium into ventricle, Y descent occur. And during that time, third heart sound is produced. If the ventricle is a failing ventricle during the early part of the ventricular diastole is what need to be remembered. Now coming to the liver. Liver receives the blood from the hepatic artery. 25% of the total blood flow, 50% of oxygen, and it receives also from portal vein, where 75% of the total blood flow will come from the portal vein, bringing the blood from the intestine. Coming to ulcerative colitis, where do you find crypt abscesses? Crypt abscesses are the pathognomonic feature in the case of the ulcerative colitis, which is characterized by mainly inflammation of the mucosa, is what need to be remembered. Okay, doctor. Second chatpat question for entrance. If you don't answer this, they won't permit you inside prometric. Yes. Pox? Pox? Okay. Let me see. Let me see what our online students say. Pox is one answer we get here. Pox is an answer from Dr. Dash. What else? Anybody else? Huh? Rio and Calci. Rio and Calci. Dr. Anuja also says pox. And Vizag says pox. All RNA viruses except Rio are basically single stranded RNA is what need to be remembered. There may not be any clinical jaundice. Still there can be a rise of the alkaline phosphatase very much possible in the LFT is what need to be remembered, because there are so many causes, bone, uterus, liver, anything can be the source of the alkaline phosphatase.